if we can advocate for the platform of Action Dapat, hopefully we can have long-lasting peace in this country.
We've been pushing for systemic reforms. We've been pushing for real political party.
Yeah.
Lahat ng diniscuss mo ngayon, ang lawak eh. No?
Hindi na wala.
No? So, and I'm sure, of course, hindi ka naman nag-iisa lang dyan. Kilala kita, yung grupong kinabibilangan mo, most likely, syempre, like-minded people, no, nag-uusap kayo, nagpa-planning kayo, and you've spoken a lot about the need for planning and so on and so forth. Mind you, Mano, I'm seeing the seeds of a real political party. No?
Okay.
Correct me if I'm wrong. And of course, no, para sa mga viewers natin, I'm not saying, of course, that this is only true for Action. I hope it's not. No, because at the end of the day, when you look at the party list, sabi mo nga off-cam kanina hindi nakikita, na-appreciate ng tayo yung tunay na value, na hindi na-appreciate yung tunay na value ng party list. Kasi whether you like it or not, it is running as a party, no? That's why sabi mo nga 3-in-1, no? Instead na isa lang, pwedeng manalo.
Yung tatlo.
Oh, so in other words, kahit na pinopromote mo yung mga nominee, yung political party pa din ang lumalabas na may ganansya dito. So parang nakikita ko ngayon, merong kumbaga starting or seed ng real political party eventually. Okay. Yeah. No? Do you see that kind of direction too, Manong?
I'll talk about Action Dapat. You know, after my stint as mayor, I stopped for 13 years sa public service. You know, in that 13 years, we started planning for the creation of an advocacy group, yung Peace Advocacy Group, which you mentioned a while ago.
Yeah,
8 years ago. 8 years ago. From that advocacy group, 8 years to 8 years in the planning Action Dapat, it evolved into a sectoral, into a multi-sectoral party. Na ang paniwala namin, pag maipatupad yung mga programa ng, if we can advocate for the platform of Action Dapat, hopefully we can have long-lasting peace in this country. Parang ganun. So, nag-evolve to 8 years to. Hindi yung natulog kami kahapon na naginip ako, kumandidato kong party list. Boss, hindi ganun to. We had 10 experts, including you, na nag-design ng ating platform. That we're proud of. So, in other words, seryoso kami rito. And I'm sure all the other party lists or many of the parties are there, seryoso din. And I do agree with you, if we make it in Congress, like-minded people will band together to promote policies, programs, and projects. That's good for everyone, but to increase the middle-income families in this country. To increase the number, I mean. Diba? From 5 million to 7 to 8, something like that. Okay, that's fine. Now, yun ang paniwala namin. Yun ang amin sa party list. I could have run for mayor. I could have run as a district congressman again. Posibleng manalo ko. Posibleng matalo ko. But what made us decide to run as a party list organization? It was our platform that dictated our politics, not our personal interest. As broad as that platform, you need to talk to more people. You need to consult with more people. So, at the end of the day, ang sinasabi ko sa mga tao, this is how I understand yung parties. Don't get this wrong, Edmond.
Yeah.
You can vote for your favorite president. You can vote for your favorite vice president, for the senator, for your congressman, for the governor, for your regular representative. But if you vote for us, Action Dapat, we will become your personal congressperson. W, senior citizen. Sabi yung congressman, na mga tao yun. That's the difference between a party system and a regional system. Diba? So, sa lang, may pinaglalabang ng grupo o store. And you find everyone. In a party system, it's universal sector. you represent sectors, their interests over and above, diba? Others. So, yun ang dapat makita ng distinction pagdating sa Kongreso. That when you talk of the budget, you fight for the sector you represent. Diba? Don't act like a regular legislative congressman because alam ng pagkaiba nyo.
Yes.
You have the same powers. Diba? Possibility of winning. If you get 2 million, that's 3 seats. Parang ang kape, boss. 3 in 1.
Yun ang dapat makita ng mga tao talaga.
So, dapat ma-appreciate nila yon. So, sabi ko nga po, yun ang na-realize ko about party list system.